It's getting cold outside. It's really shivering out there. It's like all frozen and it feels like a blizzard is coming. Well, that statement can only mean one thing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for sign-up series number 4, the Shivering Blizzard. We got all of our snow and ice themed trucks right here. This is going to be magnificent. So, they're going down the show-off showdown ramp as usual, but we only got blue, white, and green crush cars to stop them. And also, you can see that the lights are out, and we got nothing but this blue light right here. That's my new tripod, and it's a blue light shining down on the track to make it look all frozen. So without further ado, let's take a look at this really ice-cold field of trucks. Okay, so our field of trucks for this event. Our only Hot Wheels monster trucks truck this event. Monster Jam Collector Racing is in 32 degrees. I myself, Double Bacon Chaseburger, am in Blue Thunder. Tristan Firth is in Crustacean. Mario Minecraft is in Dragon. Mega Monster Jam 97A is in Dragon Ice. Gravedigger is in Earthshaker Ice. Good at Xbox and Wii Boy is in El Toro Loco. Rolando Armendariz is in El Toro Loco Ice. Joseph Nelson is in Gravedigger. Monster Jam Fan 311 is in the Track Ace Tires Gravedigger. Inside of Gravedigger Ice, Justin. Fast Track Man in Higher Education. Delores Simmons in Ice Cream Man, the Hot Wheels version. That's your sign-up Series 3 champion. And the Spin Master Ice Cream Man, that's JC at 206. Inside of Ice Monster, Riley McCord. Robert Anderson is in the Edge Glow Ice Monster. And then Tom Todd 774 is in the Throwback Ice Monster. Lego Fan 506 is in Mechanical Mischief. Monster Jam OCD is in Mohawk Warrior. Myth Gamer is in Monster Mutt. Monster Mutt Dalmatian Ice is Adam the Ultra Savage. Angel Martin is in Monster Mutt Rottweiler. Hydrogenated Potatoes is in Octonator Ice. The Tord Fanatic is in Snowhawk, the only small hub truck this series. 5155 Creations, the creator, is in Spike Unleashed. Woody is in Spike Unleashed Spectre Flames. Brenda is in Soldier Fortune Ice, and Monster Jam Dallas is in Yeti Ice. And then we have one requested race that's going to be the last race of round 1. Justin versus Hydrogenated Potatoes. So the last race is going to be Gravedigger Ice versus Octonator Ice. So, let's get started with round 1 racing. Now, I'm really hoping the quality doesn't come out too dark, but when that's because I have the blue light, the blue ring in the sky there to light it up. So, yeah, let's go. So, we have 5155 Creations taking on Brenda. And, oh, Brenda just clobbers onto the blue car right there, but 5155 Creations uses creating magic to get ahead in that Husky. The Tord Fanatic is in Snowhawk, and Myth Gamer in Monster Mutt. This is the 2014 tooling. And it will, oh, they were both, and then they ricocheted themselves off of the car pile there. It is going to be Myth Gamer moving on. Okay, this one's mine. Double Bacon Chaseburger, that's me in the Holiday Edition Blue Thunder. And inside of 32 degrees, we have Monster Jam Collector Racing. Oh, but looks like, oh, that was incredible. Like, I wish there was a replay feature, but that's me ahead. And, God, I like the way it looks underneath the blue light there. Yeah, look at that. I just creamed 32 degrees right there. Look at that. That's incredible. Way to go, me. Now we have the Spectra Flames, Spike Unleashed. You see the red bead locks and the shiny Spectra Flaming body against Dragon Ice. This is Woody taking on Mega Monster Jam 97A. And Woody takes him out. So far, it's only been Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks winning. Let's see if Adam the Ultra Savage and Dalmatian Ice could get the redemption against Tristan Firth and Crustacean. No, it will be Crustacean who just topples over to get the win. So we have Joseph Nelson in Gravedigger and Good at Xbox and Wee Boy in El Toro Loco. Oh! El Toro Loco just bumped off of the ramp there, the other show-off showdown that's used to keep the trucks. And Gravedigger just spins out his way to victory. Way to go, Joseph Nelson. And not a single truck rolled from that replay, from what I could tell. That's incredible. Next up, we have, in the Track Ace Tires Gravedigger, Monster Jam Fan 311, taking on your sign-up series number 3 champion, Delores Simmons, in the Hot Wheels Ice Cream Man. Looks like Delores Simmons will not be going for another one because Monster Jam Fan 311 just creamed him. Okay, in Ice Monster, we have Riley McCord, and in El Toro Loco Ice, your sign-up Series 1 champion, Rolando Armendariz. Let's see if he could go for number 2. Oh my! We're going to rerun that race because Ice Monster just knocked Dalmatian Ice off of the ramp there, so that qualifies for a rerun. Let's go. Okay, so the lanes are switched. Let's see if they could do a clean run now. Yes, they can, and look at that. Rolando just clips the end of the Gravedigger trailer there, and now he is the first Spin Master Monster Jam truck to move on in my sign-up series. All the rest of them so far have lost. Okay, inside of Mohawk Warrior, we have Monster Jam OCD, your sign-up series number 2 champion. And in the Edge Glow version of Ice Monster, Robert Anderson. Monster Jam OCD gets ahead. Look at that. It's almost running over the Mohawk, but not quite. I like the way the chassis looks under the blue light, by the way. I wonder if that's what Edge Glow roll cages are made for. Okay, we got this really sick-looking Yeti Ice, and he's taken on the only Michigan Ice Monster that has yet to lose, and we could see if he could win. It is Tom Todd 774 in the throwback Michigan Ice Monster. Nope. Tom Todd 774 is now the first Ice Monster this series, and only one, to move on to round number 2. Okay, we got Fast Track Man in Higher Education and Gravedigger, the YouTuber, in Earthshaker Ice. Oh! Earthshaker Ice just clips the Crush car right there, and Higher Education almost got ahead of him, but then got ricocheted off of the wall there. So now we got 2 Spin Masters moving on, with the other one being Gravedigger's Earthshaker Ice. Way to go. Okay, only 3 more races to go in round number 1. We have Monster Mutt Rottweiler, Angel Martin, and Lego Fan 506 and Mechanical Mischief. Lego Fan 506 just crashes up in there, and that I think he's the first one to actually manage to get back there. That is not a penalty because he did not knock over another truck, and he did not fall off either of the sides of the ramp. So congratulations, Lego Fan 506. Okay, inside of Dragon, Mario Minecraft, and inside of the Spin Master Ice Cream Man, we have JC of 206. Oh, almost knocks the Gravedigger off, but Dragon reigns supreme, so that means both Ice Cream Mans are out. Unlike how both Spikes moved on, both Ice Cream Mans are out. The only Gravedigger still remaining is Gravedigger Ice, and that is Justin. Justin requested to race Hydrogenated Potatoes in Octanator Ice. This is the last race of round number 1, and it is the only Spin Master versus Spin Master race. So this means that a 3rd Spin Master truck will move on, but who is it going to be? It'll be Octanator Ice moving on. You're a great racer, Justin, but today's the day for freezing cold tentacles like Octanator Ices. Okay, round 1 is officially over. Let's take a look at who's moving on to round 2. There were 28 trucks to start with. 14 have been eliminated. Let's take a look at the 14 that are moving on into the second round. So, 5155 Creations and Spike Unleashed, Myth Gamer and Monster Mutt, me, Double Bacon Chaseburger and Blue Thunder, Spectra Flames version of Spike Unleashed, that is Woody, Tristan Firth and Crustacean, Joseph Nelson and Gravedigger, the Track Ace Tires Gravedigger, that's Monster Jam Fan 311, Rolando Armendariz and El Toro Loco Ice, Monster Jam OCD and Mohawk Warrior, in the throwback Michigan Ice Monster, Tom Todd 774, Mechanical Mischief is Lego Fan 506, Earthshaker Ice Gravedigger, Dragon, Mario Minecraft, and Octonator Ice Hydrogenated Potatoes. So that's the round 2 field. Let's start round 2 of the Shivering Blizzard. Okay, so Monster Mud is Myth Gamer, Spike Unleashed is 5155 Creations. Battle of the Dogs, and ooh, that was a close race. Because there will be an odd number of winners once we finish this, I think I'm going to have 5155 Creations as a candidate for Fast Loser because of how... See how close that is to Monster Mutt? They just bumped off of the dragon right there and then went back a few inches. That's incredible. Well, your winner is Monster Mutt. Okay, this is my race. Double Bacon Chaseburger, that's me in the Blue Thunder Holiday Edition. And the Spectra Flame Spike Unleashed, we have Woody. It's Adam the Ultra Savage's Woody, and oh, that is just close. Well, if you look at it from the side, you can see that I am more ahead, but geez. It could be a battle of the Spike Unleashed for Fast Loser. We'll just have to see, but I'm the winner this round, so. Okay, Tristan Firth is in Crustacean, the Monster Lobster, and Joseph Nelson is in Gravedigger. And, oh my God, this is like the night of close races. Look at that. When you look at it from the side, it looks like Gravedigger is just slightly ahead. But when you look at it from the top, oh my God, it looks like it, maybe Gravedigger, we might have to rerun this. Okay, let's rerun it. Okay, we also switched lanes, by the way, to make it fair, so here we go. And now it's obvious. Crustacean takes the win. Okay, we have Rolando Armendariz inside El Toro Loco Ice, one of 3 ice trucks by Spin Master that has moved on. And in Track Ace Tires Gravedigger, we have Monster Jam Fan 311. Oh! He just clobbered on top of the Octonator there and then went behind Track Ace Tires. Would that count as Fast Loser? I just don't know. We'll have to see it, but your winner is the Track Ace Tires Gravedigger. Alright, Monster Jam OCD is inside Mohawk Warrior, and in Michigan Ice Monster Throwback, Tom Todd 774. Oh! Monster Jam OCD went on top of the blue car there, and it looked like Ice Monster was ahead and then went back. Geez, so many Fast Loser candidates tonight. Well, Monster Jam OCD is the declared winner, but incredible performance by Ice Monster could earn him a Fast Loser spot. Okay, Earthshaker Ice, that's Gravedigger the YouTuber, and Lego Fan 506 is in Mechanical Mischief. Oh! Ice Monster just... no. Earthshaker Ice, excuse me. Backflipped almost off of Dragon Ice. That was incredible. And then he just rests his tire on Mechanical Mischief. That was incredible. God, so many Fast Losers tonight. We'll have to ultimately decide who's going to take it, but Mechanical Mischief is the winner here. Okay, one more race to go in round 2. Octonator Ice, that's Hydrogenated Potatoes, versus Dragon, who is Mario Minecraft. That's an obvious winner right there. It's Dragon. Okay, so after reviewing the clips of the trucks going down, I ultimately had 5 different candidates. However, after reviewing one race, Michigan Ice Monster, he did go further, but Mohawk Warrior was already there when it happened. So instead, we have 4 of them, so we're ultimately going to decide it with this small series of races. So starting off with battle between the Spike Unleash, 5155 Creations in the regular, and in the Spectra Flames, Adam the Ultra Savage's Woody. It'll be Woody taking out the creator of the sign-up series as we know it. Okay, and then we have El Toro Loco Ice is Rolando Armendariz, and Earthshaker Ice is Gravedigger. And it will be El Toro Loco Ice moving on. Now to determine the real fast loser. It's either Woody in Spike Unleashed Spectre Flames or Rolando Armendariz in El Toro Loco Ice. It's either the Bull or the Husky. And it is Woody taking him out. He is the fast loser, so into the round 3 he goes. Okay, round 2 over, and we only have 8 trucks remaining. 20 have been eliminated, and no more Spin Master trucks left in this event. It is all Hot Wheels Monster Jam from this point onward. And that means, here's another stat right here. All but one are the Holiday Edition. So let's see who's moving on. Inside of Monster Mutt, Myth Gamer. Me, Double Bacon Chaseburger, I'm in Blue Thunder. Inside Crustacean, Tristan Firth. Behind the wheel of the Track Ace Tires, Gravedigger, Monster Jam Fan 311. Your Sign Up Series 2 champion, Monster Jam OCD, is in Mohawk Warrior. Lego Fan 506 is in Mechanical Mischief. Mario Minecraft is in Dragon. And in Spectra Flame Spike Unleashed, we have Adam the Ultra Savage's Woody. So, round 3. Yippee. Okay, my race first in the quarterfinals. We have me, Double Bacon Chaseburger, and Blue Thunder. And in Monster Mutt, we have Myth Gamer. Oh, I finally lose after all of that, and Monster Mutt just buries himself into the pit there. Tristan Firth in the Monster Lobster Crustacean, and in Track Ace Tires Gravedigger, Monster Jam Fan 311. Oh, spun out and blocked Crustacean off. Monster Jam Fan 311 takes the cake. Okay, we got the 2 big YouTubers of Monster Jam on YouTube. Monster Jam OCD is in Mohawk Warrior, and in Mechanical Mischief, Lego Fan 506. And Lego Fan 506 defeats Monster Jam OCD. He was the only former champion that was still in this series without losing, but now he finally does to Lego Fan 506. So that ends his chances of becoming a 2-time champion. Only one race left. If Woody in the Spectre Flame Spike Unleashed loses, then it's only going to be Holiday Edition Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks remaining in the semifinals. But he'll be the only one remaining if it wins, too, against Mario Minecraft's Dragon. Let's see if he could take it. Oh, and wow. He is ahead by that much. Look at that. It's all going to be even, so no fast losers in this race, but look at that. That is incredible right there. So way to go, Woody. You've just edged out Dragon. 4 trucks remaining for the semifinals. In Monster Mutt, we have Myth Gamer. In Gravedigger Track Ace Tires, Monster Jam Fan 311. In Mechanical Mischief, Lego Fan 506. And in Spike Unleashed Spectre Flames, Adam the Ultra Savage's Woody. All 4 of these drivers have never won a sign-up series on my channel. A lot of the former champions have made it really far, but it's going to be somebody new tonight. We just know it. So let's take a look at who's going to move on. Okay. Monster Jam Fan 311 and Myth Gamer. Who's letting the dog out? Monster Jam Fan 311 moves on. Geez, those Track Ace tires are really deadly. Okay, now we got two independents. Lego Fan 506 is in Mechanical Mischief, and Adam the Ultra Savage's Woody is in Spike Unleashed Spectre Flames. That's the only non-holiday edition truck that's remaining. And, oh, that was so close. It looks like Lego Fan 506 is ahead. If you look very closely there, you can see that his tire's ahead. And if you look back here, you can see that his Woody's hood is behind his tire. So, yeah, Lego Fan 506 is the winner. And then there were two freezing, shivering trucks in this blizzard. Let's take a look at what will happen if either of these two stars win. Monster Jam Fan 311 is in Gravedigger Track Ace tires. If he wins, he'll be the first ever Track Ace tires truck to win the series, as well as the first ever Gravedigger truck to win. I don't think there's been a single series so far where a Gravedigger was absent, so this is going to be a milestone. Lego Fan 506 is in Mechanical Mischief. If he wins, he'll be the first holiday edition truck ever, but also the most subscribed of all of the champions so far to take it. I think he's almost reaching 50,000, so go subscribe to him. And he is driving Mechanical Mischief. So, let's take a look to see who will win it. We're going to do a best 2 out of 3. And if that doesn't work, a best 3 out of 5. You know what? We're almost close to sign up series number 5, so let's do a best 3 out of 5 to make it epic. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that also if Mechanical Mischief wins, he'll be the second Chevy and the second independent truck to win the series as well. Behind Wolverine, who's a Chevy, and Black Stallion, who's an independent. So, here we go. Race number 1 out of 5. And Monster Jam Fan 311 takes it. Okay, here we go. Race number 2. Gravedigger wins this one. We're only one race away after that. When you look at it from this way, you can see that his tire is closer to the blue car. Okay, one more race, and Gravedigger is your champion. Alright, can Gravedigger remain the victor here? No, it is Mechanical Mischief this time. Okay, let's see. If Gravedigger wins, he'll be the champion. But if Mechanical Mischief wins, we're going into sudden death territory. Nope, it's Mechanical Mischief to take it. Okay, they both had 2 wins, so whoever wins this race will be the definite victor of Sign Up Series number 4, the Shivering Blizzard. So who is King of the Snowstorm? It'll be Lego Fan 506 in Mechanical Mischief. He is now the most subscribed YouTuber who was ever in my series to actually become the champion. And also, Mechanical Mischief is the first ever holiday edition truck to win, the second Chevy, and the second independent truck to ever win the series. Way to go, Lego Fan 506. You are the victor. Alright, that is incredible. Way to go, Lego Fan 506. You are officially king of the Shivering Blizzard. And look at that. You've defeated every single snow or ice-themed truck that participated in this whole series. Way to go. And because of that, you are automatically signed up for the next sign-up series, which is number 5. And I'm going to say this right now. It's either going to be Valentine's Day themed or it's going to be fire themed to accompany with the ice we already had. So stay tuned for that, and I'll choose a truck for you. You're amazing. Way to go. Congratulations on winning this championship.